This keyboard right here is probably my favorite Creamy Pops build I've made so far, and the best part is it sounds absolutely amazing. Let me explain. I used this KBD Fans Tigerlight keyboard kit, and it's honestly probably one of my favorite entry-level keyboard kits that I've ever tried. The switches are these Strawberry V2 switches from Danekeeves, and they sound so good for being completely stock and only factory looped. The whole build cost around $250 for me, and I made a full-length detailed build tutorial on this exact board, and it's super easy to build. You can find that on my YouTube channel. To finish things off, this is what it sounds like.